Okay, episode number 2 of Crazy Dealership Shenanigans, buying the new Corvette ZR1. I'm Austin. Welcome back to the Speed Phenom YouTube channel. In front of me, we have an array of Corvettes. I've got the Corvette Stingray I used to own. Then I have on the left the Corvette C8R I used to own. Pretty cool car, but it's missing the stripes that my car had. Finally, to my left, I have the Corvette Z06 with the Z07 track pack. But where's the wings, Chevy? You guys really cut the corner there. Nah, I'm just kidding. But, as you can see, we have the collection lined up right here. We're missing just 2 cars. Corvette E-Ray, Corvette ZR1. Oh, there is a third Corvette ZR1X. So, in the previous video and many other videos, I've been calling dealerships trying to find pricing for this new Corvette ZR1 to buy one. And it's been getting very, very hard because dealerships are taking the allocations that were used for actual consumers to get this car. A lot of these brands, when they have a very sought after vehicle and they know it's going to be good, they know people want it, they also know that they won't be making many of them, they constrict the amount they're making and they prioritize customer orders, and they kind of shift away from retail stock orders. These are franchises, right? Chevrolet dealerships are franchises, so that means that they don't have to actually comply and sell their vehicles at what the manufacturer says. They are a private entity, but they have the same brand and they have to appeal or what's the word? Hold up the brand values and what the brand stands for, right? Yet they can price and sell for whatever they want. This is where it gets interesting because dealerships are trying to hold these cars hostage. Where it almost feels a little bit like, not blackmail, but you get cornered, right? We hear stories about this with Ferrari owners or buyers, where it's like, okay, you want the new pista allocation? Well, if you invest in the Ferrari race team, or if you investigate a Ferrari Challenge Evo and do the Ferrari Challenge series, they won't give you that car. Or it's like, if you buy this California or this Roma, and then this 488 that's used in the lot that we can't sell, we can talk about giving you an SF90 allocation. That's how some of this stuff goes. And it's crazy to think about. I mean, it makes more sense saying it with more of the specialty, like Rolex style, like luxury items. So Ferrari. But Corvette? Chevy? I don't know. That's where it gets pretty whack to me. So let me show you on Auto Trader right now what these vehicles are currently going for. Here's my screen right now. We're looking at a current Corvette ZR1, but let me just scroll down. There's over 70s for sale. We're constantly seeing people buy a ZR1. The ones that are making the most money, the flippers, and they're making instantly $100,000, is that they're buying a base model. This is likely a base model because it has chrome exhaust tips. It has, if I scroll down more, the base wheels, just red brakes. I can't see anything for the interior. Let's keep going down. Is that even exposed carbon? So, okay, they do have exposed carbon. Actually, I think all these cars have exposed carbon aero. The ZR1s do. It's a cool upgrade that they get. Anyways, if I scroll down more, there's 100 photos. Okay, at least they have the comp bucket seats. That's good. But this is a 2026. Ooh, new interior. And here's a window sticker. 208. So this owner wants legitimately almost 70 grand, like 60-something thousand dollars over sticker for a Corvette ZR1. So do you see what's going on here on the marketplace? People are buying pretty much standard ZR1s, and they're trying to flip them for all over the board, whether it's 60K over, 100K over, or more. And if I really show you guys, we dial in specs on these cars, for some reason showing me any model year. Let's go to 2025 and up of the Corvette ZR1. You know, again, 72 of these cars listed right now. This one, 320 grand they want. It's really getting hard as just a regular consumer calling these dealerships. Talk about how it's not just a regular machine. This is the ultimate Corvette ever. Let's see if these people show a window sticker. Ooh, no window sticker. Oh, wait, right there. This one is a $200,000 window sticker car, 3LZ ZR1, and they want 320. So I couldn't see this, I couldn't see the final number for it, but you get the point. It could be about 100K over or a little bit less. Check this out. This is an interesting fact. Right here on the screen, it's showing pricing history. This car was listed for sale on 10/9. That's over a month ago for 330. And over the span of the month, they've dropped it 10 grand. Okay, here's the deal. There's so many of these cars for sale right now online, and when I keep looking at it all, I'll even show you more on my screen right now. It's like they're just at dealership after dealership after dealership. Here's another one. I'm just going to call people up and see how much money they want for these cars. Now, out of respect and privacy, I'm not going to play the audio of the phone calls, really, but I'll play like some of my comments. Real quickly, if you do have a new Corvette ZR1 coming, or you have any Corvette right now, and you want to really protect your car so that no more are you driving on the highway and really worrying about getting rock chips and your paint just tattered up on the front end, going to Cars and Coffee, your normal weekend drive, or going to the track. Well, we've got you covered. Any vehicle you have, we can protect it with paint protection film. I was like you, stuck in that similar situation. I was sick and tired of getting damage on my car. So I started Speed Phenom Film. This is our dedicated HQ on the beach of Carlsbad, California. And we started this place to help our followers, our viewers, get their cars enhanced and protected so they can properly enjoy them without really worrying about having their investment damaged from actually normal use. So give us a call at 760-496-8607 today, and we'll take care of you for a free quote. Yeah, hi, I have a quick question for you. I was on Auto Trader and I saw that there's a Corvette ZR1 there. I didn't see a price, so I wanted to give a call and see how much money this car was. Oh, so it's not for sale? Well, what do you mean by it's not technically for sale, but what would I pay for it? And I thought to get this vehicle, all of them have to be customer ordered. Why are they getting these cars? They're not going to sell them. Why are you getting them? These people have so much fun like looking at this stuff because it's like anyone you call, you get the most funniest stuff. I keep finding these dealerships and they have ZR1s and they're sitting on their showroom floor and they're for sale but they're not for sale, and the ownership has a fascination on getting as much money over a sticker as possible. Ownership meaning the dealer owners or the company that runs the dealership. So you get into this really weird position. It's like other franchises out there, McDonald's and fast food, anything else that's a franchise. I don't think they do stuff like this, right? They have a product, you can buy the product, and they get another one, they sell it. But when you get stuff like this, and let's be honest here, I don't know why you would really hold on to the C8 ZR1 if you're a dealer owner, because if you've gotten one, you're gonna get another one. At least that's what I would think. The car has been out for 2 model years now, 2025, 2026. This is 2027 around the corner. They're not going to call it quits after 2026. No. It just came out. So they're going to get another one. But when you talk to these dealers and they ask you, well, how much are you willing to pay? How much do you want to pay? How much? And they keep throwing out these numbers of this guy offered 120. They're buying and being sold on the dealer-to-dealer market for $110,000. And the cycle just keeps going like that. I'm like, no, thank you. No, thank you. Let me know your thoughts on this. Am I completely off basis? Because it's really fascinating. This is like a journey of buying ZR1. And they're like, oh, you want the car? It's like, this is like my phone, right? Yeah, we got it right here. No one's got it. How much you willing to pay? You want the phone, right? How much? It's just like, can I just get the car? When I was getting my 750S, it wasn't like this. When I've gotten other cars, well, I've gotten a lot of cars that have been hard to get over the years, like Track Pack GT500 and all sorts of vehicles. But I've always found MSRP deals, and they're out there. You have to look for them. I know people who have gotten MSRP ZR1s. Yeah, they may not have gotten them in the same conventional way as you, but they're out there. I just am saying, when there's 73 listed for sale, here's another one right here. VTK car. at a used car dealership, it's just there's a lot going on with this car. And imagine paying $4,700 a month. Woo! Let's scroll down and see that. You have very good credit. You put $70K down. Let's say you put down, with my keyboard, $20,000 and you had fair credit. $7,000 a month! Whoa! That's a lot of money to spend on a car. You can be getting a house for that much money. Don't get me wrong, the car is cool. But there's so many people trying to flip it. So many. Here's another one right here. And how much is this one? $298,000. $6,000 a month. Like, geez. Let's do a full throwback here. Let's look at how much money a ZR1 was. This is going to be a fun one. And one more filter right here on the left. Let's do all miles nationwide. Trim, let's go down to ZR1 or ZR-1. And let's just look up. You know, you can be just like someone else say, I own a ZR1 for approximately 24 grand, 25 grand, 28 grand, 33 grand. That's about how many monthly payments of 7 grand. That's like 4 months of your monthly payments. You can own a complete another ZR1. Could you ever imagine Corvette to be this much money? This much money. Hope you enjoyed this fun video. The markups are pretty crazy still. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. It'll help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one.